Hi there, students. Black ice. Okay, this is a term that they use in when in the weather forecast. When I was a kid, I never used to understand this phrase. What do they mean by black ice? Well, black ice is not actually black. It's transparent. And very often you will in the weather forecast you will hear in winter with black ice on the roads. And black ice is a coating of ice on the surface, especially used to talk about roads, and it's transparent. You can't actually see it, and it normally looks black because you can actually see the road underneath, but you can't see the ice on top of it. And very often there is also a little bit of snow or sleet or hail on top of this, which makes it very difficult to see. And this is dangerous because if you're driving and you're accelerating and you suddenly find you're on black ice, then you lose traction and your car begins to slip all over the place. And black ice is notorious for causing accidents. Okay, so effectively black ice is saying be careful when you're driving because there is ice on the roads, but it's also ice that you can't actually see. And this is the idea of black ice. Yeah, it's a dangerous type of ice that it's made of a thin film that cannot be seen, and black ice causes hundreds or if not thousands of accidents every year. Yeah, you can get black ice on a pavement as well. I slipped on black ice. I didn't think there was any ice on the surface, but I slipped and I hurt myself. Yeah, drivers should beware of black ice. Yeah, driving fast in icy weather is not a good idea, because you're very liable to skid off the road on black ice. Yeah, the car hit some black ice and spun out of control. Okay, it's a nice weather term, yeah, and it may be a useful one for you to know. I think black ice, I would give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. And then black is the colour that actually comes through. It's dangerously slippery. And then ice actually comes from Old English ice, from Proto-Germanic issa, ice, and Proto-Indo-European hey, which also means ice. Okay, so beware for black ice when driving this winter. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Black ice.